rain 50%. The extended forecast for the listening area. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 40s. Monday, sunny. South Carolina Emergency Management Division as part of the Great Southeast Shakeout and South Carolina Earthquake Preparedness Week, which promotes earthquake safety. Schools, businesses, organizations, government agencies, communities, and households are all encouraged to participate in this drill. If an earthquake were actually occurring at this time, you would want to take the following steps. Drop where you are, onto your hands and knees. Cover your head and neck with one arm and hand as you crawl for shelter under a nearby table or desk. Hold on to your shelter with one hand until shaking stops. Remain on your knees and covering your head and neck with your other arm and hand. If you are outdoors, remain there. Move away from buildings and utility wires. If in your car, pull over and stop away from bridges and overpasses. After an earthquake, be prepared for aftershocks. Check for injuries. Do not enter a building until you are told it is safe to do so. Check your utilities. If you smell gas, leave the building. Since earthquakes usually occur with no advance warning, you should review your earthquake procedures regularly. Secure fixtures such as lights, ceiling tiles, cabinets, and top-heavy objects to resist moving, coming loose, or falling during shaking. Have a family or workplace emergency plan and practice it. This has been an earthquake safety drill for all of South Carolina. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Piedmont of
the earthquake drill. And it would have been a perfect activation of my 259 alarm.
5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Friday, a chance of showers in the morning, then showers.